Hi, my name is Andres Felipe Cifuentes. I am 21 years old. I am from Manizales, but at present live in Yarumal, Antioquia. I am a student of agroforestry engineering in the UNAD, and I work in a forestry company as director of harvesting. I am 170 tall. I have no hair, so I wear a cap repeatedly. I am dark-skinned and ice brown. Normally, I wake up very early in the morning and go out to ride my bike at 5:20 a.m. until 7 a.m. When I get a house, I take a shower and then I go to work at 7:30 a.m. I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. with my co-workers and my boss. Frequently, I attend meetings at 10:30 a.m. before lunch. I have a lunch at 1 p.m. before going to work the rest of afternoon in a forest plantation. I return home at 6 p.m. to rest, and then I make a video call with my children. They live in Pereira with their mother. In the evening, I return on my computer at 6:30 p.m. to study. I have dinner at 7 p.m. and finally I go to the bed at 9:30 p.m. Besides, I watch TV before sleeping. I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m. In my free time, I like go out with my friends to practice cycling and to visit my family. I watch TV series and movies with my wife, and I like to go out to eat in restaurants. My wife is Claudia. She is 34 years old. She from Yarumal and she is logistic technician. She is tall, she has brown eyes and black hair. My children are Kevin, Juan and Helen. Kevin is 13 years old, Juan is 11 years old, and Helen is 9 years old. They are studying virtually. My mother lived with my grandfathers and my brothers in Manizales. My mother is housewife. She is 49 years old. She is short and her hair is frizzy and black. My brother is lawyer. He is 25 years old. He is fat and short. His eyes are black and not have hair. My sister is publicist. She is 29 years old. She is tall and thin. Thank you.